Hola, Señora Vaz here with your instructions for today. And today, you go into this photo and it says masculino o femenino. So remember that we're saying that the adjectives have to match the noun in gender and number. So in this case, we're gonna try to say the feminine form. So I am saying the masculine form of some adjectives in this recording. You're going to listen to it and then you're going to type the feminine form for them. So I put 3, just play the recording. Atrevido. And then you just type the word that corresponds to the feminine form for that word, the adjective. And next, you are going to complete the videohistoria. 1B. Videohistoria 1B. So you put your name, you check your grade, and then you go to the first part. The first part, actividad 1, is before you watch the video. So this one doesn't really have a wrong answer. Just gonna check here what you are like. So you had several adjectives here, and you're just gonna check what you are like. Once you had that first part, you're going to the second part, and here's where you're gonna play your video. Now let's see what's going on with this video. Okay, it's fixed. So you had your video here, but if it does not work in the form, I also put the link right here. So you can go and look at the video, watch the video. You have a word bank here, and you had 3, 6, 9, 10 words, and you have, I think, 10 questions here that you need to complete. You use the words from the word bank, complete based on what you watch in the video. You just complete your answers here with the words from the word bank. Okay, so that's all you have to do for this one. Please take into account that you need to use the masculine and feminine forms accordingly. All right. Then you go to your actividad 3. And again, the problem with the video, but fix it. And here is, again, it's based on the video. You're going to complete, you're going to read here and complete these sentences. So you put here the word that corresponds to that blank according to what you watch on the video and also what you read in this small text right here. And the last part, you are going to describe people you know. So for this one, I have to correct every single sentence you put here. You're going to use these adjectives right here, and you're going to build 4 sentences. You are going to talk about somebody. You're going to talk about your friend or your family or your teacher, and then you can say something. So you're going to follow this model to make sentences. If you need help with that, please let me know. And that is all that you are completing for today, the videohistoria 1B. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll be glad to help you. Adios.